friends, welcome to my channel Arcade Raising Kids Vlog. Today I'm gonna show you this Paw Patrol construction team. Okay, Paw Patrol construction team, and this is my birthday gift. So here are they. So these are the toys. Pup Buddies Rescue Team Construction. Yeah, kind of like engineers. Now let me open this. Ta-da! Now, see. Okay. So, this is Ryder, as you know it, the leader of the pups. And, whoa, this is kind of tightly packed. Yeah. So, this is Zuma. This is Skye, the high-flying pup, the only girl pup. This is Chase. Okay. This is Rocky. This is Marshall. And this is Rubble, the cutest pup. Now let me take off this. Now see, each have a backpack, okay? Here, the backpack. Each pup has a backpack. Let me show you them one by one. Now, Rubble, he has a backpack of a construction claw. And if you press this pup tag, it'll come out. If you press it, it'll come out here. And its head can move. See? It has a construction hat. There is glasses. And its paws could move. Each of the paw. Okay, so this is Rubble. This is Chase, the lead pup, as you know. And in his backpack, there's a winch. Yeah, if you press his pup tag, a winch will come out. Yeah, just like that. And its head could also move. And his construction hat is blue. And its paws could also move. Okay. This is Marshall. Kinda nice. Right? So his head could also move. Each of his paws could also move. If we press his pup tag, okay? Here. If we press his pup tag, it comes out. Water cannons. Right, so this is Marshall. Now, Skye, the high-flying pup, she has wings. If you press her pup tag, the wings will come out. And her paws could also move. And her head could also move. And this is Zuma. Yeah, the water pup. And he has a scuba sonar. See, it's a scuba sonar. Yeah, if you press his pup tag, the scuba sonar will come out. See, like that. His head could move, his paws could move. Okay. This is Zuma. This is Rocky. Okay, Rocky. And this is the only pup who can fix things in Paw Patrol. His paws could move. Okay. His head could also move. Okay. And if you press, oops, sorry. Yeah, if you press his pup tag, a radar scanner will come. A radar scanner, okay? Rocky's got a radar scanner. And for last, Ryder. Yeah, he's got a red coat, black pants, and on the kneecaps is kind of blue, and 2 pockets. And his soles of the shoes are brown. Hey, there's nothing more. The Paw Patrol Pup Buddies construction team rescued him. So let's recap. This is Marshall, Rubble, Zuma, Rocky, Chase, and Skye, and Ryder. So, how do you like this toy set of the Paw Patrol Pup Buddies rescue team construction? If you like this, then don't forget to subscribe my channel RK Raising Kids Vlog and hit the like button. Bye. See you in the next video.